Number 2. Char-Broil Performance Series 2 Burner Gas Grill. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly 2-burner gas grill, the Char-Broil 2-burner gas grill is a top contender. What sets it apart from similar models is its exceptional performance and compact design. The folding side shelves make it easy to fit into tight spaces. The real standout feature of this grill is its ability to quickly and evenly heat the 395 square inches of cooking space. The burners are responsive and allow for precise temperature control. Plus, the built-in thermometer is incredibly accurate, so you'll always know when your food is ready. One downside to this grill is that it does tend to have some hot spots around the edges of the grates. However, this can be easily managed by adjusting the burners accordingly. Another minor inconvenience is the enclosed space, which causes the internal temperature to rise quickly. But with the thermometer, you can easily monitor and adjust as needed. The easy assembly and cleaning process make this grill a breeze to use, especially for beginners. Its compact size and efficient performance make it the best 2-burner budget gas grill on the market. Overall, the Char-Broil 2-burner gas grill is a great option for those looking for a reliable and affordable grilling solution. If you're in need of a dependable grill that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth checking out. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.